In order to onboard an Omni device, you'll need to download the Awair Business app from the Google Play or iOS App Store. To log in, use the email and password you used to access the Awair dashboard. Once logged in, choose the organization you'd like to associate the Omni with. Then tap the plus button in the upper right-hand corner. Choose the type of network you'd like your Omni device to use. In this case, we're going to do a Wi-Fi installation. Have the devices powered on with a pulsing blue status light, then tap Start. If the device recognizes your mobile device, the status light will turn solid blue. Then the light will turn pink once it recognizes a Wi-Fi connection. Select your desired Wi-Fi network and then input the password. Once the connection is successful, tap Onboard. By default, the device name will be the device ID. You can rename the device by tapping the device image, then tap Finish to confirm. By default, the newly onboarded device will be listed as unassigned. To move the device location, tap Set Now, select the device, then tap the pin in the upper right-hand corner. I'm going to select Palo Alto's first floor location and then hit Move Here to confirm. In the device overview, my newly onboarded Omni is now listed under Palo Alto.